Hi everyone, in today's video we're going to talk about type aliases and interface. We're going to see the main difference between these two concepts. So far we have learned how to define the shape of an object using type aliases and interface. Now let's create here an interface. Let's say interface I actor inputs. Actor inputs, then we're going to pass it the key name and action is going to be a tuple, a string here, and then here we can achieve the same thing. We can define the shape of actor input using type aliases. Type actor input type here. We're going to assign it the same key here. And if we create an input here, an object, say create actor input, and then we assign it actor input. You can see here we can pass it the name and the action. You can say action, it is going to be up and down and down. These are actions of the actor. You can see here we just created here a constant which is an object create actor input. This is our constant here, and then we tap it with the actor interface. We can even tap it with actor input type alias. If we copy this here, you can see that we just achieved the same thing. Let's copy this and paste it here. At this side, interface and type alias, they work the same. There's no difference at this side. But at another side, type aliases can be assigned primitive type. Here, you can use primitive type to define type aliases. Let's say type actors, and then here it's going to be an array of actor. Type actor is alive. We can assign it a Boolean primitive. Type actor action, can assign it a string. Here you can see that we just assign type aliases primitive type. This is the difference now. But interface cannot be assigned primitive type. And that's pretty much it, guys, for this video. I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next one.